Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to tell you the easiest method to grow lemongrass at home. Please watch this video till the end to know its health benefits and how to use it. Take the lemongrass you bought from the market and cut its stalk. Now place the stalks in a glass of water for few days. You will notice after few days shoots will start growing. Now is the time to transfer them to a pot. We are reusing an old oil container to make our pot. If you have a pot, you can use it. Make sure you have made holes in the pot for water drainage. Place some stones for water drainage. Fill the pot with potting mix. We are using 3/4 portion of soil and 1/4 portion of vermicompost. Now put the stalks around 2-3 inches into the soil. Now water your plant. Lemongrass plant needs very less water and more sunlight. This is our plant growth after 10 days. You can use lemongrass in soups and curries to add a nice flavor. This is the growth of our plant in 20 days. This plant will keep on growing and you can keep using its leaves whenever you require. Did you know lemongrass is a natural mosquito repellent? Now we'll show you how to make a healthy tea with these leaves. The lemon tea is ready. Enjoy. Here are certain health benefits of lemongrass. Thanks for watching, friends.